If your skin can't seem to keep moisture of its own, then you need this 4-step skincare routine for your dry skin. This will transform your skin from dry, dehydrated, flaky, tight skin to a supple, soft, glowy skin that feels hydrated. If this is something you're interested in, then do well to stick around. Hi guys, my name is Anya, and in this video I'll be giving you a 4-step skincare routine that will take your skin from dry to hydrated and moisturized. Sorry, my voice is a little bit cracky. I went for the Moses Bliss birthday concert and I lost my voice. The rest is history. So bear with me for the meantime until I get my voice back. Anyway, let's get right into the video. The first step in this routine is a good cleansing. Now this is the base that ensures that your skincare works. If you don't get this step right, nothing else is going to work in this routine. Now when I talk about cleansing, there are two categories of cleansing. There's an oil-based cleansing and there's a water-based cleansing. First off, we're going to start with an oil-based cleansing. This step is extremely important, especially when you have had makeup on all day or you slather a lot of product on your skin like sunscreen. This will definitely clog your pores because of the buildup of this product, excess oil and germs. Then you'll be wondering, why is my skincare not working? I'm applying this, I'm using that, why is it not working? Your pores are clogged. That is why it's not working. So we need to double cleanse. We need to go in with the oil-based cleanser that will get rid of all those products, all those makeup, the skincare, all the touching of your face, all your hair care products that have come in contact with your face, your edge gel, all those products. We need to get rid of it first. An oil-based cleanser, clearing your pores in order to actually get the main benefit of this product on your skin. When you are trying to choose an oil-based cleanser, you have to choose a cleanser that is lightweight, not thick. You're not trying to clog your pores, you're trying to relieve your pores from all those product. So you have to choose something that is lightweight, that will easily just glide on your face, nothing that will be so thick and then you'll be feeling so choked up because your clogs will just become filled up. You need something lightweight that will melt away those makeup products, those skincare products, those germs from your pores, so that every other product you apply on your skin can come in direct contact with your skin. The good thing about double cleansing is the fact that it minimizes your pores. You know, when your pores are clogged and choked up, it widens it, so making your pores way more visible. But by the time you double cleanse and get rid of all those clogged pores and those makeup products, those skincare products, sunscreen, I say all those plenty products they are heaping on your face, and all those hair products actually that are even coming in contact with your face, those edge gels, and you wonder why the top of your hair is you need to get rid of all those products. And when you get rid of it, since there will be no product in your pores anymore, it will reduce in size, therefore minimizing your pores and giving you that glass skin appearance. For the cleansing oil, you can use the annual cleansing oil. It is lightweight and it's perfect for dry skin. Now for the water-based cleanser, it has to contain ceramide. You want to get a cleanser that will cleanse your skin without dehydrating it, but instead leaving it hydrated. So the goal of any water-based cleanser you get is to cleanse your skin without clogging your pores and damaging your skin barrier, because your skin barrier needs to be intact. You need to have a healthy skin barrier. So you need a cleanser that will unclog your pores, not damage your skin barrier, and most importantly, leave your skin hydrated. You can use the Face Fact Ceramide Hydrating Cleanser. This cleanser contains 5 ceramides, hyaluronic acid and oats, which is good for your skin. Now if you have watched my previous video, you will know that hyaluronic acid is a humectant. I told you guys there that it's a humectant, which means it's a water magnet. You have dry skin, we're looking for hydration, so we need water, we need liquid, we need something that will drag that water, attract that water into your skin and keep it there. whereas the ceramides are emollients. Now emollients are skin smoothers, which is perfect for your skin, hydrating, smoothing. Oats gives it a gentle exfoliation on your skin. So this cleanser is a 10 out of 10 for your skin, and most especially it's actually on the affordable side. The next step in this skincare routine is toning. Now this step will elevate your skincare 100%. Without doubt, it will take your skin from dry, tight to glowy and supple and dewy. You know that very hydrated looking skin? That's what this will do for you. There are different types of toner. There's a brightening toner, a hydrating toner, and a soothing toner. Any of these toners will work for you. You can get any of them and it will work just fine. You are going to need a serum. Now, depending on the type of dry skin you have, you are going to need more than one serum. But a hydrating serum is one that I will advise you have in your skincare, because you have a dry skin, you need that hydration. Before adding the other two types of serum I'm going to talk about, you need a hydrating serum. Like, it should be a staple. It should not go anywhere in your routine. And then you can add either of these two types of serum depending on your skin condition. The first is a treatment serum. This serum is essential for people that have dry skin but yet suffer from acne, because it's going to treat those acne without dehydrating your skin. Most times this serum contains ingredients like niacinamide, salicylic acid, and the rest. You can use the ordinary niacinamide that contains zinc. This serum is very good. It's hydrating, it fights hyperpigmentation, it helps with your acne. So this serum is especially very good for you to use. I highly recommend this serum. For the second serum is the antioxidant serum. These are serums like vitamin C serum that help brighten and give you that even skin tone. So this serum is also good. For the treatment serum, you shouldn't be using it every day. I think one day off, one day on should be good, just to let your skin breathe, because you don't want to damage your skin barrier by using, because niacinamide is an active ingredient, so you don't want to have it on every single day. Make sure your moisturizer is rich in ingredients, thick in consistency, and creamy in texture. Listen to me carefully. Thick in consistency, creamy in texture, and rich in ingredient. You cannot be using a lightweight moisturizer. You need to use a thick moisturizer that when you apply it, it absorbs into your skin and transform it. You know, when you use that very thick, creamy moisturizer, by the time you apply it on your skin, if you have a dry skin, you know when your skin will be looking flaky and chapped and tight, in moment you apply it on, it just absorbs into your skin and softens your skin, makes it glow, makes it shine, acts like a shield, a blanket for your skin. That is the type of moisturizer you need to use that will give you that supple, dewy, shiny look. That type of moisturizer you should use, not a lightweight moisturizer, not a drying moisturizer. A thick, creamy moisturizer that will last you more than 4 to 5 hours. You can use the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. This is literally the best moisturizing lotion for a dry skin. This moisturizer has all the right ingredients in it. It is extremely beneficial for achieving that soft, hydrated, plump, dewy, supple skin, which is the goal. When you use this routine, you cannot use this routine and not get a hydrated, supple, glowy, shiny skin, most especially. And most importantly, it is dermatologist approved. So it is tested, trusted, and perfect for your skin. Also use a sunscreen. I don't think there's any skincare video I've done that I have not emphasized on the use of sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must. Whether you have dry acne prone skin, dry dehydrated skin, dry pigmented skin, oily skin, moisturize, whatever skin you have, you need to use a sunscreen. If you have dry skin, you cannot use a lightweight sunscreen. Don't do that. You need to use a sunscreen that is thick in consistency. It needs to be thick. You cannot use the Dr. Rachel sunscreen that is lightweight or the La Roche-Posay sunscreen that is lightweight. You need something that is creamy and that is thick. When you slather it on your skin, it gives that blanket feel to your skin. We've come to the end of this video. I'm so excited for all of you who stuck around to the end. I hope you use these steps, these 4 steps. If you use it in your skincare routine, you're going to see an exceedingly beautiful result. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Stay hydrated. Bye.